See, then we just turn the brightness all the way down. How's yours?
So yummy.
How's yours?
That's good.
How's yours?
Delicious.
How's yours, Uncle Rob?
Cool, mate, cool.
And how's your hot chocolate, Aunt Sharon?
Delicious.
Let me just sync. There you go. Okay.
What?
Bang! So basically, we recorded on this camera, but somehow I deleted the footage pretty much as soon as we finished recording it. So I only have this camera footage.
Lying. It doesn't do that.
No, like when I edit it, I'll sync the audio from that.
So?
See, now we have two. You're recording me, and I'm recording you.
That's just crazy.
Crazy. I know, right? Look at them. Isn't that just life goals? The house they're in.
Actually, tourists, and we're not from here.
Are we from the UK?
Yeah, I'm from London.
What?
What red thing?
It looks like it looks like those things that we used to play with at school.
Zoom in on it. You can probably see
You
it
know
better
those
with that
things?
camera.
Where? Counters?
Right here.
Like those neon counters. Like
Can't see. I can't lean over.
Oh.
This water literally comes straight from the teat of Mother Nature herself.
Stop telling the people nonsense, please.
Did you just tell me off and then go into a pose? It's so clean.
It is very clean.
How does it taste?
Yeah, it's good. You didn't see a sign saying don't drink, it's toxic.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
So what did you think?
The water was good.
That's it?
It was really nice. I really enjoyed it. I was quite surprised the water was so clear.
Yeah.
Because
This is the motherland.
Yeah, but most of those little river things are muddy. Yeah, so that's fair enough.
Yeah.
I really, really wish that they could bring Raising Cane's to New Zealand.
Oh, that's what I
have
want to
you
try.
have you ever had it?
Is it shit?
No, I haven't tried it.
Serious?
Did you go to the
You went
US?
to the States
Yeah, I
though?
didn't try that though.
What did you try?
Yeah.
We wanted to try In-N-Out, but
Yeah.
the line was so long, so we didn't try it.
He's gonna come again.
Hell yeah.
Baby's like, shit, yeah, I am.
Hell yeah.
You can bring Corbin too. We can just go.
What are they doing?
I don't know.
Playing on the playground. Kids.
Children.
We are at Aotearoa. Where my mongrels at? I wonder if you can walk this whole thing.
Not me.
Not you? No.
Definitely.
You can fly that, eh? Yeah, humble stuff. Guys, we're in the presence of what? A certified pilot.
Oh hell no.
Don't know what they're doing, but it's beautiful here. I wish the sun was out, but still gorgeous. Yes, this is what you're finna. Oh, the drone would have been so cool to fly out here.
We're not on a good day yet.
Sorry about that.
And
It's so selfish of me, isn't it?
Uncle Rob, what's that white building over there?
Oh, that's a steam paddler.
Oh, it used to be a boat.
Yeah, it looks like
Is it on land now? It's not on the water.
Yeah, so 7 nights. And we've got like
Go, lift off. Crashes in the water. Wait, so Betty, can you fly one of those? Yes, you can, liar. You can drive it as a liar on land, but not on land. That'd be cool.
Yeah, but it's the same.
It would be the same. Would it?
Home time. Oh, so windy now. I think it's like an hour to get home. We all need help, honestly. And this one wants to be the therapist. That's the funny thing.
That's the messed up part. Yeah.
Good morning. Aotearoa. Madison is not feeling the best. But yesterday, I came home. I went to move all the footage onto the iPad, which is what I've been doing. And I lost all the footage from the rainforest. All I've got is whatever is on this. We lost like probably 40 minutes of footage. But it's a new day, the last week, which is sad. But we're going to my home in Wellington. It's Maddie's first time being there. And I haven't been back since 2019. Anyway, her friends are leaving today. I don't know what else we're going to film, but it's a travel day. It's a travel day. Hey, I got this. I mean, I probably showed you, but look, it's heat activated. Wait. See that? Colour. How are you feeling today?
A lot better than yesterday. Refreshed. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you are good, but you want to know something?
Oh yeah.
I lost all the footage from when we were at Aotearoa Springs yesterday.
No. What happened?
I don't know. None of that footage moved over, and then I just deleted it, thinking I had moved everything.
So all those cool shots.
Yeah, that whole 20-minute video gone. I've only got what's on the other camera, which is like 5 minutes of footage.
Oh wait, yeah, just.
Round 2 of goodbyes.
This is actually your
This is actually goodbye.
This is
You're
the
gonna
real
see
goodbye.
them again.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
It's bye for me.
it's bye for you. Unless you call in sick again.
And go to Wellington.
Yeah. He's just leave.
Bye.
Took too long.
I've officially retired from alcohol. Unless I'll get a montage of them just for you.
You come back here and you take video of this car.
Okay. What is that logo? Isn't this a Toyota?
Yeah.
Where's the Toyota logo?
That is the Toyota logo.
Is it?
Yeah. It's the other version.
Is that the Japanese version?
Yeah, this is. If it's got these things.
Bluetooth.
Whatever these are called.
The,
That means
the
it's
rain
imported.
guards.
Yeah.
The Bluetooth.
From Japan. Don't. Don't look inside.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
How you feel?
Sad, but excited because the next time I see you guys.
Hide it off, Anna.
See you next year. Yeah.
So much for having us. Yeah.
Thanks for
See you again.
Yeah,
Take care.
cool. Thanks for having us.
If you come across any Russian spies, just give me a call.
Yeah, you.
Just give me a call, eh? I'll be right there.
Okay.
See you.
Right.
See ya.
Bye. Love you guys.
Bye.
Drive safe. Will do.
Bye, BD. Hello. Me recording from a very, very far away future. It is currently, I kid you not, it is January 19th, 2026. Crazy. The video you just watched was March 2025, coming up on a year in a couple months. The last proper video before the Tauranga episode I just released was uploaded maybe 6 months ago, and as you just saw in this video, we had a baby. We had a baby, basically. The massive secret behind the first few episodes, we did record separate vlogs to make it like sort of a home family vlog for the baby, and then the Hunnel Hard vlog. Ultimately, the baby came, everything was good, and I just had to stop making these videos. I didn't have to, it just got really hard to, on top of work and the baby. Now we're in a moon boot, and we got to slow down a bit, so I do have some more time to finish these, and also include bits that we recorded talking about the baby. So it's just going to be the rest of the trip, pretty much just 1 week in Wellington. I honestly didn't film the most, maybe 2 more episodes, and then that's the New Zealand series wrapped up. After that, I don't know. Life changes every other week, so that's just where we're at. I'm going to finish these videos, finish the series, and then we might just vlog whatever happens or life with the baby. I'm not too sure where Hunnel Hard is going to head. I'm not going to give up on it. Life has just changed a bit. Sometimes you have to move in a bit of a different direction. I guess that's just what we're going to do. Anyway, to round off that video, we said goodbye to the girls. An earlier episode, we did say goodbye to them already. Last minute thing, they just came down to Tauranga, hang out for a night or two. We didn't actually end up seeing either of them again in Wellington. It was just so quick. That whole week just went by. But it was a fun week regardless, and I'm excited to finish it all. Anyway,